Here are two fire alarms that I always forget to show in my collection. These are Wheelock RSS-24MCW Strobes. Here's my other one. The reason the cover chipped here was because I was trying to fix it, and I'll get two new of these. Look at those. These are the wires that dangle. It won't, no. I'll take this off. There we go. As for the other RSS, it's simple. Here's a cover plate. It has the fire markings when they made this. Here's my other one. This one does not have it because they made it right. Hope you enjoyed the video. Peace out.